Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's Christine with gaugegirltraining, an online meal planning and coaching service. In today's video, Yolanda and I are going to be taking you through an incredibly intense HIIT cardio workout. This circuit can be repeated to make it a 30-minute workout. This workout is excellent for those with stubborn body fat. This is excellent for my endomorphs, mesomorphs. Yes, my ectomorphs can do it too. If you are an ectomorph, only do 1 round. If you're a mesomorph, 2 to 3. If you are an endomorph, do 3 rounds minimum. So let's get started. So in lieu of a warm-up, what you guys can do is you can go for a walk around the block. You can do your own warm-up on your own, but I do recommend you guys, just get some light walking in before you start this so your muscles are already warm and supple and ready to go. Front jacks, let's go, ready, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job, guys. 30 seconds. Keep the core tight, explode the legs out, arms up over the head. 5, 3, and 1. Good job. So now we're gonna recover 30 seconds. Keep it nice and easy. Now, if you are at a more intermediate level, you can do the interval for 45 seconds. If you are advanced, do the interval for 50 seconds, and the balance of the minute is your recovery time. But we're demonstrating this at a beginner level for those of you who are brand new. So we're just gonna keep recovering here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, we're going front squat into a twist. So front squat, twist. Front squat, twist. Front squat, twist. As you go down, make sure the knees do not go over the toes. Get deep into that squat, sit into it like you mean it, like you want that booty to tighten itself up, twist. Good job. 5, 4, 2, and 1. Good job. Now recover for 30 seconds. Now again, for those of you who want this to be harder, you don't have to stop at 30 seconds. You can go for 45. You can go for the whole minute if you really want to. But go at a pace that works for you. Go at a pace that works for you and continuously build up to it. If you can only do 10 seconds right now, then it's okay. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Right? Go into the squat and the walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump, squat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And jump. Good job, you guys. Again, 30 seconds. That was the squat walk into a squat jump. Make sure kick those legs loose. Keep it nice and easy. Again, if that was hard for you, go slower, go at your own pace. Do not forget to breathe and do not forget to smile, my friends. All right, keep it loose. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Now you want to make sure you are extending opposite arm with the opposite leg. If this jumping movement is too hard, you can always go back and do a reverse lunge like this. You can do this movement if this is too hard. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job, guys. Keep it loose, keep it loose. Woo. Shake out those legs. Catch your breath. Resist the urge to do this. If you're tired, don't do this. Put your hands behind your head. Open up the lungs. If you are tired, if you're having a hard time breathing, you always want to open up the lungs. Do not do this if you're tired. Do this. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Right, we're gonna get into a sumo squat, prayer position. We're gonna do toe touch, calf raise, toe touch, calf raise, toe touch, calf raise. Good job, toe touch, calf raise, toe touch, calf raise, toe touch, calf raise. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Good job, good job. If you're brave, you keep going, Shake it up, If that's too hard, do what you can. I don't care if you can do 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Do what you can, my friends. Keep it loose. And stop neglecting your calf muscles, will you, people? Calves are part of the legs too. So we're here to remind you to work the whole leg, not just the booty. 3, 2, and 1. Put the hands behind the head. Okay, we're ready, let's go. Cross, knee, cross, knee, cross, knee, cross, knee, cross, knee, cross, knee, one more, cross, knee, good job, Woo. Stretch it out, smile, breathe. During recovery, this is where you want to catch your breath. You want to slow down your heart. You want to make sure you're not hyperventilating. You want to make sure you're breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, we're going to go into a wide squat. Right calf, left calf, squeeze. Back down. Right calf, left calf, squeeze. Back down. Right, left. Squeeze at the top, guys. Right, left. Squeeze it really hard. Right, left. Squeeze, back down. Right, left. Squeeze, back down. 3, 2, and 1. Good job. All right. Keep it loose, You should have felt that in the glutes, in the calves. If you're brave, go longer than 30 seconds. If you can only do 30 seconds, this is perfectly fine. You can repeat this circuit. I'd say for most of you, you want to do at least 2 to 3 times minimum. But nice and easy, recover, catch your breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ready, arms out, let's go. Cross. 30 seconds of crisscross jumping jacks, guys. Keep your core tight, arms extended. Good job. Keep smiling. Again, core tight, you're doing good. 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. Woo. Catch your breath. Point of the recovery is to slow the heart rate. Interval is to maximize it now. Get it together. So don't forget to breathe. Catch your breath. Did a good job. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, we're going to squat out, squat out, squat out, squat out. Keep those glutes activated. You should feel tension in your glutes the entire time. Your glutes should be talking to you. If that's not happening, go lower. 3, 2, and 1. All right. Woo, shake it out. Shake it out. Nice recovery, guys. Your glutes can relax. I'm sure they are on fire, but you're doing good. All right. Nice and loose. Lift those legs. Again, your glutes should be fully activated. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, we're going to extend all the way to the back, arms overhead, and single leg knee in. Let's go. 1, 2, jab, 3, bring the knee in, arms all the way extended, pull it in, engage that core. Now, if this is too hard for you, what you can do is you can shorten the range of motion. You can stay here and just do a slight raise. 3, 2, and 1, good job. Now for recovery for abs, you wanna roll on the other side, do a cobra, stretch the torso in this manner. Stretch it out, breathe in, breathe in. Stretch at leisure. Cover. And again, remember 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Up, down, 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 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, recover, recover. So you want to stretch the child's pose. Stretch it out. You should be feeling that. And then get into a cow pose, tabletop. Stretch it out, stretch it out. At your leisure, guys. Good job. Work your way up. Work your way up. And slowly round it up. 2 and 1. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Good job. Now, if this is too challenging for you, what you can do is you can stay here, just go up and down, and eliminate that jump. Stay here, take it nice and easy, at your own pace. All right, 4, 3, 2, and 1, good job. Catch your breath, you guys. You did awesome. Catch the breath. Return your breath back. Make sure you breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. You guys did awesome. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Get control of your breath. If you're having a hard time, hands behind the head. 3, 2, and 1. So guys, thank you so much for joining us. What you need to do is repeat this circuit 2, 3, even 4 times if you're brave. If you make it more than 3 times and 4 times, I want you to comment below. So enjoy, you guys. Thumbs up. See you in the next one. Give yourself a good job.